I hope everybody's having a great, blessed day. And you can see the water from last week and this week's rain. And it's a lot. So, it's supposed to be more rain. But I just think the sky is absolutely beautiful. I love this time of the day. It's my favorite. Yep. And the ground is so saturated that it is crazy. But it's some really, really, really cool clouds there. I like it. But yeah, those two big bodies of water over there were together. And they've shrunk some, but not much. But anyway, just a look at the clouds in the sky in Halifax, North Carolina, out in the country. I do have to say that I love it out here. So peaceful. I don't have to hear boom boom music. I don't have to hear sirens. I don't have to hear any of that. No people fussing. Just peaceful. Alright, well, much love. Thanks for watching, y'all. And y'all have a blessed evening. Much love.